Hi, it's Mark at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, doing an air conditioning line repair. Instead of replacing all the lines front to back, which is also going to be your coolant and air conditioning lines, we've got an air conditioning leak in this line down there. Claire, can you get a picture of that line? This is the line that I cut out as it has a leak. Fabricating a line and putting on a special union here. We're going to show you how we crimp that. As I hold this together, we use this special tool, not available in stores, but only available here at Urban Automotive. This special tool crimps this, makes a 100% seal. I can then check it with nitrogen, and if it holds, which it will, I'm going to charge up the system and keep this car and this family staying cool all summer long. Urban Automotive, safety first.